Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page. And on this record that I'm providing a very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice closure sign off, because I must get the civil justice without any delay in front of all nations and in front of entire human kingdom. So I will quickly read through this civil justice so that we all can be on the same page. USA Roman province, Jesuit state of Wisconsin, state of Illinois, state of Michigan, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon. Department of Justice created COVID-19 plague worldwide is proved. As of February 22, 2021, is proved by I, Vedapriya Prose. So victims of abuse patients billings claims process for medical finance compensation billing. At fault found guilty with fatal negligence, domestic violence. Domestic violence types are breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land, chattels and types, and USA Republica prostitutes, President Trump 2016 to 2020, GOP Mitch McConnell, Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh created Robocall Crime 1 Count 2 Count 1 Poverty Mandate, Robocall Crime 2 Count 2 Finance Disability Mandate, and took away $4,500 in October 2018 along with to steal the Supreme Court judge job rightful belongs to me. Then Robocall Crime 3 Count 3 Finance Debt Mandate since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020. Debt as of February 2021 is $10,000 plus dollars. So I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed the true criminals, creators of Robocall Poverty Mandate to USA government for fatal negligence and domestic violence of the state of Wisconsin. So the criminals are Republican Wisconsin, USA domestic violent criminal 23, prostitute 23, Senate. Republica Wisconsin, USA domestic violent criminal 24, prostitute 24, Congress. Republica Wisconsin, USA domestic violent criminal 25, prostitute 25, House of Representatives. Republica Wisconsin, USA domestic violent criminal 26, prostitute 26, GOP. Democrat Wisconsin, USA domestic violent criminal 27, prostitute 27, Senate. Democrat Wisconsin, USA domestic violent criminal 28, prostitute 28, Congress. Democrat Wisconsin, USA domestic violent criminal 29, prostitute 29, House of Representatives. Democrat Wisconsin, USA domestic violent criminal 30, prostitute 30, GOP. Democrat Wisconsin, USA domestic violent criminal 31, prostitute 31, Speaker Nancy Pelosi. Democrat Wisconsin, USA, Democrat violent criminal 32, prostitute 32, Tony Evers, the Governor Tony Evers. The Democrat Wisconsin, USA domestic violent criminal 33, prostitute 33, Scott Walker during the President Trump administration. I pray where the Priya Pro Se want each of the domestic violent criminals of state of Wisconsin with fatal negligence to pay tax-free $5,000 each to be multiplied with 11 times of the criminal. So that will be $55,000 direct deposit to my bank account. And I where the Priya Pro Se want Pope Francis to pay the tax-free $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account. And I hope we are all in the same page on this regard. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.